Well, obviously, the most serious crime one can be charged with is homicide, and you could face the death penalty. There's no higher punishment than the death penalty. I'm proud that in the time that we have been practicing, we have handled many homicide cases. Homicide cases are trial cases. What that means is when you get into it, you better be ready to try it. And the homicide cases take long time to try. If there are multiple defendants, you may have multiple juries. So it could be a month or 2 month trial for homicide cases. Job of the attorney is to do investigation, and I cannot overemphasize how investigation is important, and unfortunately how many law firms don't have the resources to do the investigation. I'm proud that we have an in-house investigator who is fearless. He goes out to interview witnesses at 12 at night, which is something most investigators won't do in the neighborhoods that these cases are being investigated. These are gang-ridden neighborhoods, even in daytime. And that's why I tell a lot of people who call us to hire me for murder cases, I turn them down because they just don't have the funds necessary to do a good investigation. And I tell them, at least at the public defender's office, there's an investigator who will do these things for you, because a lot comes down to state of mind, to how the other side was behaving. Did he provoke him? Was it self-defense? And finally, gang-related part of it. Was this at the behest of or for promotion of a gang? Considering these gangs that are being so demonized are a bunch of kids running around the same neighborhood, and they're drunk a lot of times and they have guns. A shooting happens. Is it really at the behest and for promotion of the gang, or was it just this guy felt he was disrespected? And that's where experts come in and good investigation. So murder cases are tricky, and they are what we call trial cases. If you take a murder case, you better have the resources and be ready to commit yourself for a month or so trying a case.